Fluent English practice. Excuse me, waiter.
Yes, miss. How can I help you?
Look at this burger.
Is there something wrong?
Yes, it's burnt.
Oh no. I'm really sorry about that.
It's black on one side.
Let me check. Oh, you were right. I'll bring you a new one right away.
Please do. I can't eat this.
Of course. I'll tell the chef immediately.
And please make it well done, not burnt.
Sure thing. Would you like fries with that?
Yes, but make them really hot this time.
No problem. Fresh fries coming up.
Thank you. I'm super hungry.
Don't worry. We'll fix this fast. Here's your new burger.
Wow, this one looks perfect.
I'm glad you like it now.
Yes, thank you so much.
Enjoy your meal.
Thanks. I will.
Dialogue 2. On the street.
Excuse me. Wait, please.
Yes. What's wrong?
You dropped your wallet.
Oh no. Where?
Right here, on the sidewalk.
Oh my gosh. Thank you so much.
You are welcome. I saw it fall when you crossed.
I didn't even notice. You saved me.
No problem. It happens.
You're really kind. Most people wouldn't stop.
Well, I think helping others is important.
That's true. The world needs more people like you.
Thank you. Are you okay now?
Yes. I checked. Everything's still inside.
Good. Money, cards, ID, nothing missing?
All safe. I'm lucky you were here.
I'm glad I saw it in time. Were you going somewhere in a hurry?
Yes. I'm heading to the bus stop.
Oh, that's just 2 blocks away.
Really? Which direction?
Straight ahead, then turn left at the cafe.
Got it. Thank you. I'll hurry now.
Wait, watch for cars when you cross.
I will. I've had enough trouble today.
You'll be fine. Have a good day.
You too. Thanks again for helping me.
Anytime. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.
Dialogue 3. The new neighbor.
Oh, someone's at the door.
I'll get it.
Hello.
Hi, I just moved next door.
Oh, welcome to the building.
Thank you. I'm still unpacking boxes.
That's always the hardest part.
Yeah, my living room is a mess right now.
Don't worry. It'll look great soon.
I hope so. By the way, I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you, Emma. I'm Lisa, and this is Mark.
Hi, Mark. Sorry if it gets a bit noisy tonight.
Moving noises? That's okay. We understand.
We were noisy too when we moved in.
All good? I was worried it might bother you.
Not at all. Need any help with boxes?
That's so kind. Maybe just 1 or 2 later.
We'll be here. Just knock anytime.
Thanks. It's nice having friendly neighbors.
Welcome again, Emma.
Yeah, it's great to have you next door.
Thank you both so much.
See you around.
You will.
Dialogue 4. Lost a mobile phone.
Oh no, I can't find my phone.
Really? When did you last have it?
Maybe when we were at the cafe.
Did you leave it on the table?
I think so. I was talking to you and forgot.
Let's go back and check.
I hope no one took it.
Excuse me, did anyone hand in a phone?
What does it look like?
It's black with a blue phone case.
Yes, someone found it and gave it to me.
Really? That's amazing.
Please make sure it's yours.
Yes, it is. Thank you so much.
You're lucky. Someone honest found it.
I know. I'll be more careful next time.
Always check the table before leaving.
I will. Lesson learned.
Glad it's back with you.
Thanks again. You really saved my day.
Dialogue 5. Missing the bus.
Lisa, hurry. The bus is coming.
Wait. I'm running. Don't let it go.
It's right there at the stop now.
Oh no. It's leaving.
We missed it again.
That's the third time this week.
You really need to wake up earlier.
I know. My alarm didn't ring.
You always say that.
No. I mean it this time. I think my phone died at night.
Excuses, excuses.
Hey, you could have called me.
I did, but you didn't answer.
Oh no. I was still asleep.
When's the next bus coming?
Let me check. In 20 minutes.
That's too long. We'll be late for work.
Maybe we can take a taxi?
It's expensive at this hour.
But it's faster. And I can't be late again.
True. Let's share the cost then.
Good idea. I'll book one on my phone.
Is one nearby?
Yes. It says 5 minutes away.
Perfect. We'll make it just in time.
I'm never trusting one alarm again.
Better set 2 alarms next time.
Or maybe 3.
Great idea. One to wake you, one to warn you, and one to panic you.
That might actually work.
Come on, let's go meet the taxi.
Finally, a plan that works.
Agreed. Let's just hope there's no traffic.
Please, not another delay.
Don't worry, we'll make it this time.
I'll believe it when I see it.